Right, a wealthy bath of information, of new information, of the latest technologies. I like the balance between exhibitors, where you can just browse around and visit stands as you want it yourself, and a pre-programmed list of presentations. So to me, it's getting in touch with the cutting edge of digitalization in a very condensed format.
AUTOMA was a surprise for me. I thought will be an area where I would meet mainly people involved in IT, digital world, this kind of thing. And I was very surprised to meet a lot of potential partners who take the digital world to improve technical needs in operation.
Oh, it's a very, very important platform. We've already been in Berlin. We get very good customer contacts here. And for us, it is a must to join in Zurich.
This notion of combining automation and digitalization, which is kind of linking together two different worlds, but at the same time it's very important to do that, and it's the only conference I see doing that.
I think it was a really good environment to meet really good, bright colleagues, to see presentation, learn a lot. You know, I'm interested in technology, so when people talk to me about the people and change and so on and culture, I'm always very interested. It's also good to see other organizations that are invested in digitalization and are interested, and all the vendors who have spent a lot of intellect and energy and startups, etc., to create solutions that hopefully may help us transform.
I really like the fact that there is plenty of diversity of technology. There is clear artifacts to test and to demonstrate. I like the combination of roundtables and also the fact that you guys have this kind of speed dating format.
For me, AUTOMA Congress is really about bringing together like-minded people from across the sectors to discuss, to share ideas, and really see if together we can drive forward this sector.
So AUTOMA has been really impressive to me. They've brought together a lot of really interesting presenters from the industry, both from the software vendor side as well as the EPCs and the owner-operators.
Well, it's a good opportunity to network with other peers, to discover interesting solutions other colleagues are currently developing.
A focused conference. The people who are here want to be here. They're not here because someone sent them. Operators have to pay money to be here, and you really notice that because everyone is very available. It's very easy to talk to people.
It's a great congress bringing together all the parts of this ecosystem of oil and gas, and in particular, and energy in general. During 2 days, we had a list of very valuable talks of people and companies bringing their insights on the things they are doing, the products they are offering.
AUTOMA for us is a really fantastic ability to get in front of the industry with people who are really relevant to who we want to speak to, particularly at the C level or the higher level, who are understanding the nature of how complexity is a challenge to their organization.
The ability to see what everyone else is doing and then share what we're doing as well, from automation and to all the way to AI.
Meet with people, discuss change experience, get some ideas what others are doing and probably we should consider. So definitely very helpful.
AUTOMA is meeting innovators, meeting people with great ideas, a warm atmosphere, also a lot of fun, of course, and a lot of knowledge exchange, which I really like.